Good morning, you guys. So Eric and I just woke up and we fed the dogs and we let them outside. They were being extremely active. We just figured that we would film a day in the life of Daisy and Chloe because they have cool lives, I guess. Today is going to be a different kind of day. We are gonna go to my parents' house and we're gonna take them with us so they can hang out with Bella. They love Bella. And I think we're gonna go get them some more dog food because they ran out of that. We normally use Blue, the brand Blue, but they've been out of that and we didn't have the money to get it because it's kind of an expensive brand because it's so good. So we've been using Purina, which his mom bought for them, and we try not to use Purina because they use a lot of wheat instead of protein. Daisy, no. Down. Good girl. Good girl. Here she is right now. And as you can see, we gave them this poop emoji pillow. They tear it apart every single day. And this is basically the routine of the day. Just kind of chill with them for a while. There's Chloe baby. Hi Chloe baby. Hi Daisy. So yeah, if you are interested in watching this video or knowing the life of Daisy and Chloe, then keep on watching.
To give them some treats.
Frozen banana with peanut butter on it. Okay. Sit. Chloe, sit. Daisy. They like that. I knew they would. Super hungry today because we ran out of food, so we're just giving them like a lot of treats and stuff until we get some more food.
Yeah, we gotta go about 45 minutes away to go to the dog store to go be able to go get them some food.
But they get to hang out with Bella today, so it should be fun for them. Maybe it'll make Daisy just seem sad for some reason.
So those bananas are frozen. That's why they're having a little bit of an issue biting through them.
It'll last a while.
So we're gonna let them stay out here. We're gonna put some water out for them, and then we're gonna go in and finish getting ready so that we can go ahead and leave. This is quite a little bit of a trip. So.
Hey, Daisy. Oh. So we are at PetSmart. Why'd you take your hat off? It looks cute.
Because it was getting annoying.
But yeah, we're at PetSmart. We're gonna grab them some food and then we're gonna be at our parents' house and let them play with Bella.
Not our parent, your parents.
Oh yeah. I really am bleeding. But yeah.
It would be perfect.
What?
This.
What is that?
Just like a big ball and a rope.
Is it a bouncy ball?
Yeah, it bounces.
That's kind of cool. We got them one of these ducks. Eric bought it, but they tore it to shreds. I like this. This pink thing reminds me of Cartoon Network.
Up.
Sometimes I do want to get a frisbee and teach Daisy. Okay, so we're going to the blue section, and there's usually this old lady in there, and Chloe does not trust her, so I hope that she's not over there.
It's a solid pace right there. Come on. Daisy does not.
She's hungry.
She's just so hungry.
Is it right here?
Which ones do you want?
You know what I think they like more?
What?
The lamb.
The lamb?
They both, especially Chloe, loves the lamb.
That
But we
makes
could
sense.
try it. I mean, we
I
could try.
kind of want to do. Is that adult?
I don't think adult is gonna bother them because we just fed them adult food and they're fine. So if you want to buy them
I wanna
adult,
do
oh
salmon.
dear, I am totally salmon.
Yeah.
Okay.
Salmon bag.
Okay,
I don't know where
let's
it's
try it.
at. Or what color it is.
Hey, there's this one right here. I like this color. How much is that one? 30.
33.
Oh, that's cheaper. Okay. They're excited to see Bella.
Right here. Oh my gosh, she wants to run away. Okay.
Oh,
Oh, did have you shout it? Oh no, Daisy.
say hi,
was-
Zoe.
Hi. Daisy.
Give me a hug, Sissy. I miss you.
Mhm.
You just commented on our video, didn't you?
How's yours?
Love you too.
The dogs don't have their.
We'll have to get Bella, so
Ow.
I'll hold her.
Hi, Bella.
We're gonna feed her real quick.
She's excited.
Oh
She
man,
just like.
I hope they like salmon.
I think they will.
I'm not doing a very good job of keeping it in the bowl.
It's okay. They're waiting patiently. Chloe, sit. Sit. Good girl. Chloe, down. Down. Sit down. Oh no.
Daisy. Sit.
Nope.
Daisy. There you go. I have to go get the dogs. This is victim number 1. Biggest.
Ouch.
They're trying to pop them. Wait.
Gotta wait for the bubbles to come out of this one. This one takes longer.
That has bubbles that come out?
Yeah. They're taking forever.
Look.
Hurry up.
Look.
Look
I don't know what we're doing. How much did that thing cost at Disneyland? Too much?
Probably like $20.
That's not bad.
Daisy. She's scared of it.
I think she just doesn't know what it's doing.
They don't know what bubbles are.
That bubble gun is so cool.
That one you have to squirt. That one you can just let it go. That one you can just let it go.
There she goes.
She's trying to lick them.
Oh.
Bubbles.
Chloe.
Bubbles.
Hi. Hi, Bella. Hi.
I didn't react like I thought I were going to.
Don't let her throw.
Hey guys, so we're heading home. We just got done hanging out at Kristin's parents' house. She's driving right now. She's driving back. Daisy likes to be up front and sit on my lap. And Chloe likes to stay in the back and sleep the whole time. So we're driving back, and we've probably got another 20 minutes or so before we get home. We didn't get everything filmed that we wanted to, and this wasn't a normal day. It was just a weekend. We had some time. So there's Daisy. She's looking at the camera. Oh. And so we'll try to add some more, maybe some other days. Try to give you more day in the lives of Chloe and Daisy, and then hopefully those we'll be able to shoot more on. Today's been quite a busy day. It's 8:16. We woke up at about 8:30 this morning. I know we slept in. I won't be in a lot of videos during the week whenever we have them, because I work every morning for 10 hours till from Monday to Thursday. So Kristin will be making the videos. Then Daisy is squirming, sorry, and she'll be making the videos, trying to get everything done. Just let us know what type of videos you want to see, what type of videos you like. So we're gonna be able to make those for you, trees videos and all that kind of stuff. We're gonna have some special collabs coming up with some people you may know, and we're gonna be doing other things on their channel. So once we get those up, we'll let you know. We'll put a video out for all that kind of stuff. So hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.